finding a comfortable position and adjusting the body if needed. Taking a moment to breathe out fully and then take a breath in through the nose and out. Seeing if you can breathe into the ribs area perhaps and out. If you can, breathing in through the nose, expanding the belly this time. And out. Releasing. Allowing the eyes to comfortably close. Allowing the jaw to relax. Letting the shoulders drop down and away from the ears. The arms relaxing, feeling heavy. The wrists, the hands, fingers and thumbs relaxing. The ribs, the chest, relaxing. And feeling that relaxation spreading down the back of the body, down to the pelvis, upper legs, knees, lower legs, ankles, feet and toes. Feeling your body grounded and connected to the surface beneath you. Knowing you are safe and you are well. Imagining roots growing out of your feet and growing down through the surface beneath you, down through the rocks and the soil, down deeper and deeper, down to the center of the earth, securing you, stabilizing you. You feel stable, supported, safe and secure. You are rooted down into the center of the earth, feeling that connection. Everything is okay. Imagining yourself like a tree. And even though there may be changes to the weather, some stormy days, some stiller days, but yet your roots still remain firmly rooted down into the earth's surface beneath you. You are able to adapt yourself to the situations that present themselves to you, knowing that change always happens, and you are able to cope with the changes because you feel grounded, rooted, safe and secure. Your body is heavy. relaxing into this wonderful support of the earth. Beginning to draw the awareness back to the feet, to your roots now connected to the surface beneath you down to the center of the earth. And begin to draw those roots back up from the center of the earth, back up through the rocks, the soil, the stones, back through the surface beneath you, and knowing you can connect down into the earth's surface beneath you by listening to this meditation. Feeling a sense of security, and gently begin to move the fingers and the toes, inviting movement into the body and opening the eyes.